How's it going, everybody? Oliver here for iInfluence, and this is the unboxing that you've all been waiting for. Inside of this package, I have computer glasses, blue light filtering glasses from BARNER. Glasses that you guys have been telling me about for at least a year now. I'm just now having the privilege to get my hands on a couple of these. Super thankful to BARNER for sending me out some products for me to try out, to unbox, to get first impressions, to express what I feel when I try these on with this amazing audience. And you know what? Let's just get right into it. And I do want to say there's no cuts or edits that I want to make for this initial unboxing. So if I stutter and if I mess up, let's just roll with it. Let's just go. I want you guys to feel what I feel when I first open it. And even though BARNER was nice enough, very, very generous in sending me out some of these computer glasses, in no way does that buy a favorable review or a favorable first impression. So I just want to say that right off the bat. This isn't a sponsored video to where I have to say something. This is completely my opinion and what I want you guys to know about the product. Let's just get right into it. All right, let's just get right into this unboxing here. All right. Let's not talk about any specifics here. Let's just talk about what's inside this box. All right, here we go. Your delivery or your package won't look like this. This is just an exception because there's quite a few glasses in here. Okay, here we are. This is what this is what the inside of my box looks like. A blue light laser. We're gonna use this a little bit later. Right, let's see. Okay, good, no battery, so I can't accidentally blast my eye with it. All right, BARNER, computer glasses, screen glasses, as they say here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's see. This is a clip-on, as you can see there. It's a clip-on. And this is a set of glasses, clip-on. This says screen glasses, and this is more than likely just another set of glasses. So let's start with this one, the one I have in my hand, okay? Now, once again, completely organic. I'm not aware of all the specifics and details of the plastics that they use, the type of lenses that they use, how the coating feels. I haven't even seen any other review videos on this. I wanted this to be completely my own expression of what I feel, okay? All right, so it has like a little eyewear retainer here. Okay, so that's the first thing that I see. So for those of you that take your glasses off and on throughout the day, you'll be able to just put those on and hang them down your neck, okay? Comes with a cleaning cloth. Ooh, I love the case. Love the case, okay? This leather case on here. Ooh, look at those. And they actually have the clip-on on there already. This is the Williamsburg size 48. I size 48 bridge 21. Look at that shape. It says designed in Barcelona and handmade in Italy. Let's try it on with the clip-on first, shall we? Let's get rid of this. Ooh, oh man, those feel good. These feel really good. The plastic feels good. Oh yeah, let's take the clip-ons off here. See if I could do it. No, I don't want to mess them up. I don't want to scratch them either. All right, there we go. They come off nice and easy. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna like these. I can already tell. I can already tell that I'm gonna really love these glasses. The clip-ons are fitting on there just fine. What do you think? Did I get it on there right? Yes, I did. Oh, no, I didn't. There we go. Piece of cake. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm gonna love these glasses. I am going to love these glasses. I can tell you that already. All right, let's go with number 2. Okay, same thing, contents of the box. You got the the frame retainer, what some people may call a lanyard. Got the nice brown case in here. Oh yeah. And this is the Kreuzberg. Probably just butchered that. And these are in clear. Now my head's big, okay? And I know it, all right? I know my head's big, so this one might not be my size. But I can still tell you that the glasses are awesome. I can still tell you that there's basically no color distortion in these lenses. I'm looking from side to side here, and they feel great. There's no distracting anti-reflective coating, which a lot of other companies will put on there to bounce off blue light. That sometimes could be really distracting with a lot of pinkish and bluish hues. It's not something that's bothered me at all, which is great. I had very high expectations going into this, and so far I gotta say, BARNER, you've lived up to the reputation. I gotta say, you've done it. Clip-ons for sun. Let's see here. All right, oh, so these would be more than likely for the first one that I was trying on here. Let's see here, Williamsburg. Let's see if this is for the Williamsburg. And yes, it is for the Williamsburg. There we go. So I guess there's two clip-ons in here. Oh, actually this one feels a little bit darker. No, it's about the same. Never mind. I got used to the light. All right, let's open up this one here. Screen glasses. This one's just called screen glasses. Ooh, and I think this is one of the colorful ones. All right, look at that. Look at that. This is model Le Marais. Marais, color dusty pink. Okay, so it probably might not be my color, but you know what, I'm gonna try it on anyways. Ooh, I love that case. I love the way they think. Nothing else inside of there, but it still comes with the same contents. It comes with the frame retainer, the lanyard, the string, the necklace, the rope, whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah. Oh. Once again, not my color, maybe it is, who knows? Oh yeah, but these feel good. These feel really good. The plastic that they use on here has almost like, it has a frosted look when you first look at it, translucent, so light passes through it, but it has almost like a rubber texture to it, a rubberized texture to it, so it feels really good to the touch. And it feels really good when it's on too. And all these glasses come in different colors, so remember that. This is just something that I requested to kind of represent the brand and the line that they have. Okay, this is another one. This is the Dalston color Black Noir. Ooh, yes, oh yes, oh yes. I can't tell you how excited I am about these. Oh yeah, oh man. Oh, look at the color on that. That's a beautiful matte finish with like a rubber finish on there. That feels really good. Yes, yeah, that feels really good. Right out the box, put them on, get to work, be productive. That's what you want. That's what you need. And BARNER is doing it for me right now. Is really doing it for me right now. So this is the Dalston. This is a size 52. It says in here, the good life is welcome. I agree. These feel super comfortable. So what do you guys think? I mean, I'm really excited about these glasses, like really excited about these. Look, this is supposed to be the clip-on for the Dalston. These are the ones that I'm wearing. Let's check out the clip-on for the Dalston. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And you know what? You can tell that these clip-ons are made well and they're made to last. Look at how it has a bit of flexibility on there. That's what you want. The metal little claws that are on there are covered with some protective sleeves, protective plastic sleeves. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. That's it right there. These glasses are it. These glasses are what you want. And it's no wonder they had the Kickstarter success that they had. I mean, they're like the full package. I mean, you want the clip-on, you don't want the clip-on, take them right off, get to work. You can work outdoors, you can work indoors, do what you want. Yes. No, the glasses are great. For those of you that want to know, before we finish this video, let's put one of these on here. for those of you that want to know how this works, let me show you how this works. You put this little loop around the tip here. You tighten it up a bit. You could push it up if you want. All right, and you put them on. You're pretty much ready to go, okay? Let's push it up a little bit more. Okay, see, you may or may not want it on there. You know what, rock it to your style, whatever you want, you know? When you want to take the clip-on off, you want to rock it that way, rock it that way. You want to take them off from time to time, put them around your neck, wear them around your neck, get them right back on, and get right back to work. That's my first impression. I'm gonna have a follow-up video really breaking down the specifics about the blue light filtering percentage, about the coatings, the frame material, my experience with all these glasses. But what I can say right now is that they are awesome. And that's just my first impression. Like I said, I haven't seen any previous review videos. I haven't seen really any other articles or you know, descriptions, or this is all 100% just my experience with it, my first experience. And yes, I had quite a few here to choose from. But what I can tell you is this: the glasses, these BARNER glasses, are the real deal. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about it right now in a follow-up video, fully comprehensive, exhaustive, in-depth review video of the BARNER computer glasses. I hope you like this short unboxing video. I'm Oliver for iInfluence. I hope you have a great day.